Hello viewers, welcome to mathematics lesson. Today we'll be looking at geometric progression. Geometric progression is a progression that involves common ratio. Remember that the end term of a geometric progression is given as a r raised to power n minus 1. A r raised to power n minus 1. Let's see how it is applied in this example. Assuming we are given a GP whose third term is 12 and its fifth term is 48, and we are asked to find the fourth term. In solving this problem, you use the third term to form equation 1, use the fifth term to form equation 2, and before you find the fourth term. Now, how do we solve it? First of all, state the formula. T n raised equals to ar raised to power n minus 1, which is the formula. Now, the third term is given as a not given, r not given, raised to power 3 minus 1, because 3 is the n, equals to 12. This is the third term in formula, while this is the third term in figure. So we now say ar 3 minus 1, ar raised to power 3 minus 1 is ar squared, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. And that is equal to 12, and that gives you equation 1. Similarly, the fifth term, which is 48, is given as ar 5 minus 1, because n is 5 minus 1. And you subtract this, you have ar raised to power 4, which is equal to 48. That gives you equation 2. From equation 2, you break it in terms of ar squared. Break down r raised to power 4 in terms of r raised to power 2. So we now have ar squared times r squared. The whole of this is similar to this. We are doing this because it is r squared here, ar squared here. So we want to get ar squared out of this. That will be equals to 48. Now, ar squared is equal to 12, because ar squared is equal to 12. So in place of ar squared here, we replace it by 12. So now become 12r squared equals to 48. And then when you divide, to get r squared, you divide both sides by 12. And that gives you r squared is equal to 48 divided by 12. And if you simplify that, you have 4. Now, r squared is equal to 4. It means r is equal to square root of 4, which is 2. So your r is 2. Now, substituting in any of the equation, r for 2 in any of the equation 1 or equation 2. Let's take equation 1. R square, and r is 2. A2 square is equals to 12. Is a is equal to 2 square is 4. So you divide this side by 4 too. You have a is equal to 12 over 4, and that is what? 3. Now, to find the fourth term, you have gotten your a, the first term, and gotten your r, the 2. You now substitute to get your the fourth term. So now becomes a, which is 3. Using the formula, a is 3, in bracket r is 2, 4, which is n minus 1, is equal to 3 in bracket 2 raised to power 3, which is 4 minus 2 is 3. And that becomes 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So 3 times 8 is now 24. That is how you use simultaneous equation to solve geometric progression. Thank you very much. Let's do it again next time.